Schools across Metro Detroit have different plans for the start of the school year.
But they also will share some of the same policies. Now, county health departments, like in Oakland County, are sending out toolkits to guide schools.
7 Action News reporter Kim Russell shows us what is inside the toolkit and what's not. Kim?
Yes, I am live in Troy, where just a short time ago, the school board voted unanimously to start the school year all virtual. It's a decision that schools across the state are having to make. What is the start of the school year going to look like? The health department sent out this toolkit to answer many questions, but it didn't answer a big question. As Dr. Richard Macheski from the Troy School District prepared for a school board meeting on whether the district will open for in-person learning, he received the Oakland County Health Department Toolkit for Schools. He hoped it would answer, should they have in-person learning?
At best, I'd say it's underwhelming in terms of giving direct guidance, but there is some guidance provided.
He expected metrics on community spread and data points to look for.
Is a health crisis. So you look to your health experts to say, these are the things you should be specifically looking at.
Is it safe to go back to school? That is the number one question that we're getting.
That's not an easy question to answer.
Not an easy question to answer.
Calandra Anderson is a nurse and the Quality and Process Improvement Supervisor for the Oakland County Health Department. She says there is simply not a one-size-fits-all set of metrics that schools should look at for several reasons. One reason, money.
Resources for some areas are going to be better.
She says the toolkit should help school districts decide whether to open by providing processes so the schools can decide whether they can carry them out. For example, what should schools do to prevent the spread of the virus? It talks about sanitizing practices, student cohorts, lunch hours, and more.
It focuses around three things. It focuses around social distancing and minimizing exposure, the importance of hand washing, and the importance of wearing a facial mask.
Plus, it lays out a process to make sure schools and health departments communicate when there is a case of COVID-19.
We have over 200 people dedicated at the health department that their sole responsibility is to do contact tracing and also case investigation at the instance we're notified and confirm a positive case for COVID-19.
The health department is not only providing this toolkit, but providing schools with access to experts to answer questions about the metrics and the data that is available. There isn't always a lot of data available because in some communities, people don't have access, for example, to testing. She says, if you would like to look at the plan, there's a link to it online. We'll have a link at our website, WXYZ.com. Reporting live in Troy, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.
All right. Thank you so much, Kim.